Hi everyone, in this video we are talking about critical terms for real gas, which is pressure, temperature and volume, known as PC, TC, VTC, which is also called critical pressure, critical temperature and critical volume. So we will take help of Van der Waals equation, which is P plus n square A upon V square. Let's write for 1 mole. So P plus A upon V square, V minus B is RT. Okay, now just simplify this whole equation. It can be written as PV minus PB plus A upon V minus AB upon V square equals RT. Multiply everything by V square, so it becomes PV cube minus PBV square plus AV minus AB RTV square. Divide the whole equation by P. So let us see what will it be. I'm just shifting it here. So if you divide it, it becomes V cube minus, now P get cancelled, PV square AV upon P minus AB upon P equals RTV square upon P. Collect all the terms of V cube, then collect terms of V square, which are minus B, and RT upon P will also come left hand side. Collect terms of V, which is A upon P minus AB upon P, 0. Can we say we have a cubic equation in volume, right? And whenever we solve any mathematical equation with the degree, or we can say in this case third order mathematical equation in terms of volume, so how many roots it should show? It should give me 3 roots, alpha, beta, gamma. But try to understand, in critical condition all these 3 roots will coincide. Hence, while comparing this result, if I compare this result, so we'll get a feel as if whatever results we are getting for PV graph, for a given pressure value you are getting 3 different volume values, alpha, beta and gamma. They all are becoming 1 if you are talking about critical conditions. So if you refer Andrews isotherm also we get the same thing. So what we can say here is, let's write V minus Vc whole cube is 0. My assumption here is Vc is the solution which is drawn in this diagram, where all 3 roots are becoming common, or all 3 values are becoming same. So we'll do that. We'll write V minus Vc whole cube expansion, which is V cube minus Vc cube minus 3VVc, V minus Vc equals 0. V cube minus Vc cube minus 3Vc V square plus 3Vc square V, okay, equals 0. And let's try to compare this one with the previous one. So I'm just bringing the previous one here for your convenience. Okay, let's say I'm just taking it here. Let's write neck to neck and then compare. So can we say this term is V cube in both the places? All right. Okay, now what about V square? So V square term is here and this is the V square term. So let's write in sideways, we'll just note it down. We'll say minus B minus RT upon P equals 3 Vc. I hope you agree with this, right? 3 Vc. Okay, fine. Now next information, take this term, V term. 3 Vc square is how much? Just compare these two. So 3 Vc square is equal to A upon P. That's the second solution. And the AB upon P value is equal to how much? It is equal to the constant which is written here, Vc cube. Alright. So you can do one thing, we can say if I divide second and third relation, so what we're going to achieve from this second and third division, we're going to achieve 1 by Vc, and 3 is in numerator, 3 into 1 by Vc precisely is equal to 1 by B, which gives Vc equals 3B. So we can say critical volume is 3 times B. And what is A and B? They are the constants which are given in Van der Waals equation. So once you know Vc is B, 3B, I can take this data and put it in equation number 3. So equation number 3 is giving us P is equal to AB upon Vc whole cube, which is AB divided by 3B whole cube. If we solve this thing, it comes as A upon 27 B square. Can I call this pressure critical pressure? So it is A upon 27 B square. And then we can take help of the first equation, so which is minus B minus RT upon P is equal to 3 Vc. And what is 3 Vc? 3 times 3B minus B minus RT upon P. Rearrange the whole thing. This will become, so can I say 3 Vc is 9B? So just compare all the values. This is minus 3 Vc here. Just compare all the values. So it will cancel out and becomes 8B is equal to RT divided by P. Put it back, how much is PC? So you just use the value and get the value of t. So it becomes 8b into a upon 27b squared divided by r. So if you just check the value, it is 8a upon 27 rb. So we got all three critical constants. I hope you understood the video. Critical constants meaning will be recorded in the upcoming videos. Keep liking, sharing, commenting and referring to your friends. Thank you very much.